Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix this error saying invalid annotation object error when you're trying to open your PDF documents using Adobe. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your File Explorer, or what do you mean is just open your documents. But what you need to do instead is right click and then open with your browser or Chrome. And once you're here, click on the print button on the top right corner and destination, make sure select save as PDF. Then click on the save button and make sure to name this appropriately. I'm just going to put final and then click on save. Once done, you can close your Chrome and open your PDF file. It should now open without any issues at all. And there you go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.